Wonderful bullish month for Tech 100. We have been discussing this since long that yes, it has formed a bottom here and potentially we are going to look forward to this zone at 15300. It is precisely, see the beauty of an analysis, it is precisely achieved those levels last month. And the title for the last month's analysis was also apt, that to the moon in the month of June, and precisely it has seen those levels. Now what to expect in the month of July? Is it going to fly high, or we can see it retracing again on the downside? Which position you should take and at what levels in order to profit trading Tech 100 next month, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the summary, the conclusion, the trading levels to watch out for. So do watch till the end, and also before leaving the video just press the like button, that will be a great motivation, and also share, subscribe and comment so that the maximum people can reach or read this video. Yes, I do share my daily analysis also on Nasdaq 100 every day before US session. Do watch that also. You can remain updated on my latest updates by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Sharp recovery last week is seen in Tech 100. We have discussed here. See, even if it tries to drop 14600, 700 levels should not be breached. Precisely, it is reversed from 14700 levels. Still lower highs, lower lows are seen here. So that is the first part on the weekly charts. Also on the weekly charts, you can find out it has shown a breakout from 13,200 levels. Then the next pivot or the next support has come till towards 14,500 and 14,200 levels. This is the next strongest support zone, and since then it is trading bullish. Now one more point, since these levels we have been telling that it has formed a triple bottom here and it has come out of this bearish channel here, it can continue with the bullish bias, and that is what has happened. Now these levels are very important for Tech 100. You can see why. See here, see here, see here and see here. 15, 200 and 300 levels. This is a very strong resistance for Tech 100. Staying above 15300 this time, that is where you can expect that it is going to hit 15600 levels and 500 levels. This is the next resistance zone. So staying above 15300 levels, possibly we might see 15500, 600 levels, which is going to be the next target, and staying above 15600 is 16000 levels. Now can it continue with such a rise here? The answer to this question is yes, very much. See, I have been telling since long that US markets are still lagging behind the global markets. See, we have seen higher inflation, higher interest rates, and in fact recession in Germany for last 2 quarters. Still, the markets are trading at all-time high levels. In fact, FTSE 100 has crossed past 8,000 levels in the recent past. After the second drop there in post-COVID, Germany also has achieved all-time high levels. We have seen Japan Nikkei flying high. We have seen India flying high. Almost all the levels have achieved all-time high levels post the drop thereafter this rise post-COVID. So this is second wave which is beginning here for Tech 100. And also if you look at, see, Tech 100 is trading in this channel. It is got the support here. However, for now, we can see it is still bullish and it is still looking upwards. Now, second part to it, how high it can fly. Specifically, I'll be looking forward to 15,500, 600 levels for the month of July. If you see Tech 100 staying above 15,500, 600, just stay long for the month of July. We are going to look at 16,000 and plus levels. Also, this is an earnings season which might impact the movement of Tech 100 for the month of July. Now, see, straight bullish weeks, what we have seen, and a bit of consolidation is what we are seeing here. Hence, if it stays below 15,300 here, it can try to show a pullback till towards 14,600, 14,200 levels. What it can try to do, peak here, retracement till towards this zone 14,200. It should not break this zone at any point of time, and this is already at a far below levels at 13,200. So it can potentially come till towards the median, that is almost a 50% retracement, and from there continue with an upward move. This is one of the possibilities. Second is obviously to give a breakout above 15,300 levels. Now coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, see the bottom, double bottom here, and this resistance here. See 13,900, then 14,250 levels, and then 14,600 levels. So here it has got the maximum support. Now if you look at the complete movement, see the rise here, the retracement, and now it is again looking forward to an upward move. So yes, it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel now at around 15,500, 600 zone, staying above which certainly in the near term 16,000 levels can be expected. Now coming to the near term, you will find, see the pole here, and then this was the flag formation. The last trading session, it has given a breakout here, and it has continued or resumed its upward journey. Hence, possibly once it stays beyond 15200, first look out for 15300 levels, double top, staying above which I will look forward to 15500 600 zone, the next strongest resistance, which is also the top of this bullish channel. So what it can potentially do is to achieve the highs at an extremely strong pace, and then from there we will see it consolidating so that the indicators might achieve further highs, and from there just trade sideways, just trade with modest bearish bias for a little while so that the indicators can get cooled down and the levels also it can achieve. Now coming to the monthly, on the monthly charts, see the recovery till here is done. Now if you look at the formation in the previous move here, three candles, which can equally call for that it can try to give a red candle this month, then a potential green candle next month, and from there all time high levels. Also this can repeat completely, because see, so far we have seen a completely symmetrical move. If you collect these dots, rise, drop here, rise here, retracement, mild retracement, rise here, rise here, almost symmetrical move is what we have seen here, and hence above 15300 and 15500 600 next, certainly you can stay long for all time highs at 16,000 plus. Now let's have a look at the indicators, if the indicators are also of the same opinion here. Now see, it is trading above the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average. Bullish sign here is starting to diverge the moving averages. This is a good sign for Tech 100. If you look at the monthly stochastic, this has come to extremely overbought levels, and which calls for either cool down here or a potential consolidation, and that is what this also calls for, that potentially it can try to show you a swing candle or a red candle is what we have seen here, the squeeze there. So it can try to drop here till towards 14,000 on the month of July. That is one probability. Cooling down the stochastic a bit, stabilizing here, and then this reversal. But at the same time, look at MACD. See, MACD here was trading with a fat belly, and since then we have seen the conversion, and this time it has crossed over and trading with extreme divergence and bullishness. Now see, this crossover on Tech 100 is seen after almost 11-12 years. You can see till now it was trading in this bullish zone. It has for the first time hit these lower levels, and the bullish cross at these levels is seen after 12 years, and hence it can continue with this upward journey for a little while. Even if it tries to drop a little, is still an opportunity to buy. RSI is starting to look upwards here. This is also a bullish sign. Coming to the weekly charts. Now on the weekly chart, see the moving average is crossed over here. All the three trading with divergence, trading bullish here. It can stress the rise for a while, and this could be stronger rise such that the moving average rises sharply, and from there potentially it can try to converge till towards the moving average level, that is 14,000. And see, right now it appears that even if it tries to drop, the 3900 800 zone should be the bottom for recent times, and from there again a rise can be expected. So this is just an expectation. Also on the weekly charts, you see the MACD has see the Bollinger Bands has diverged, and now 15500 is appears to be an extreme, and beyond that, see, it has formed the bottom. It can continue here on the upside also. Now stochastic is consistently trading overbought for almost 3 months now. This is on the weekly charts. Almost for 3 months it has been trading overbought, and hence this calls for a little pullback. However, we have to watch how sharp a pullback it can give, else it can continue here for a little while. Now look at MACD. This has been trading with divergence. This has been trading with the bullish bias, and it has achieved extremely higher levels here. Now, as we saw on the monthly charts, that it has seen a green candle. Now it can potentially give a sandwich here and show you a red candle, so that continue with the green candle again next month. And hence for next week you have to be watchful. It can try to trade sideways or with a bearish bias. RSI is also overbought, and certainly whenever it goes overbought on the weekly charts, it always calls for a little pullback. We have to be watchful, but remember, it is also possible that it can stress the rise for a little while, as always we have seen with the Tech 100. It all now depends mostly on the Q2 results here. So earnings will definitely have an impact. And coming to the daily chart, you can see the prices were divergent from the moving average. It has converged till towards and now is starting to diverge again. The moving averages are trading with extreme divergence. This is indicating extreme bullishness here, and it can continue with this bullish bias. And now this makes this zone at 14,800 and 13,000 14,300 as a very crucial zone as at max. Even if it tries to drop, these levels certainly are going to be a very strong support levels. The stochastic on the daily charts has seen a good rise. It is looking upwards. Also the MACD, which is retraced a little, now willing to converge crossover. Now see, MACD, if you look at, see, it is still giving you higher lows, and on the high side it is still waiting for it to achieve higher highs. See, right now it has reversed from the median, achieving the drop. If it continues on the upside, further bullishness can be expected. RSI looking upwards. Now we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you, for not only for the next week but also for the complete month of July. And before we proceed to the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 10th of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. Let's start first. Let's talk about the levels to buy here. See, I will recommend you to buy here at 15,170, very nearby, but then 15,200, 15,245 and 15,300. Now till here it has got maximum resistance which it is going to see. Above 15,300 is where it is the bullish momentum which is going to come into picture, and this time potentially 15,500 is the next target which it is going to hit. 15,500 and 15,600, this is the resistance level which one should look forward to, and this is going to be a major hurdle for Tech 100 even if it continues its upward journey. Beyond this, 15,800 and 16,000 levels can be expected. Again, sky is the limit above which it will try to achieve all-time high levels. Now remember, what it can try to do at best or at worst is try to show you pullback for the first couple of weeks, maybe taking again back till towards 14,700 14,500 levels. But remember, it is still not to be treated as bearish till the time now it respects first resistance zone at 14,500 600, then the next resistance zone there at 14,200 300. In fact, till 13,800 900, the chances of reversal and bounce back will stay strong, and potentially it can continue with an upward move. I will still look forward to the all-time high levels in the near future, but let's see how it behaves this month. This is going to be crucial. On the downside, where to sell? Now 15,090 is the level below which you should sell, but remember 15,050 first support, 14,970, or rather I will say 14,950 is the next support, and then 14,900. These are the four stronger support levels now on the downside for Tech 100. Very nearby, but these are certainly very strong support, and then we will see it hitting 14,800, 14,700. Now see, every 100 points below this, 14,600 and 14,500. This is the next stronger support, 14,600 500, below which you can say that we are going to look at 14,200 and then 13,900 levels, and this could happen in a month or so. I will be definitely watchful of this. Remember, see, the later half of this month is going to give the major move. First half, possibly we can see it is still continuing with the bullish momentum, and if the results do not appear to be good, possibly later half of the month it can try to show you pullback, but before that a strong rise cannot be denied. Any move above 15,500 600 is going to take it till towards above 16,000 levels. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Before leaving the video, do press the bell icon, do press the like button, and also do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. That will be of definitely great help to the efforts which we have put into day in, day out for you. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.